Hello guys, today I'll show you how to bypass any Samsung Galaxy FRP lock without PC, without Talkback setting. Now I will show you an exclusive method for FRP bypass. So for this method, follow my video step by step. Now then go to web setting. First of all, you need to insert a SIM card. Which SIM card number you know. So this is my another SIM card I already connected. Then network come. Also I will connect it Wi-Fi. Then need another phone. This is my another phone. Now final process I will show you. Now I am trying to SMS in this phone. You need to use this push SMS. This special SMS service too, you can bypass FRP lock. So where found this APK? You can download from here, frptools.com. Click here and click download this APK. You can download from here. Don't skip any part. Now I will open this app. Click here. Also click here. Type YouTube website. Now put here YouTube website link. youtube.com. Then type number, which number SIM card is already inside this phone. Now and type here for SMS in this phone. Now send or push SL. Click here, send. Message sent, okay. Now see here. Now click here, click OK, then open YouTube. And terms and privacy policy. Now press home. Go address bar. Type and go www.frptools.com. So you can download from description link. Now I am clicking downloading for trying and click finally download. Download is start. Now go bookmarks. Click cancel. Go history and download history. Now download in process. Download complete. Now installing. Go setting and allow this unknown source. Now click install. installing. Now open. Wait. Add, just skip it. Click Google account. Google Account Manager, then allow. Skip add. Wait. Google Account Manager is downloading. When download complete, then click setting and turn on it. Press back and install. Installing done. Wait, ad is loading, so just skip it. Click no thanks. Now logging here. Yes, it's done. Click three dot. Click browser sign in. Okay. Skip ad. Again click login. Wow, it's working. Now put here any Gmail account. Which account is ID password you know. Now I am trying my Gmail account. Trying to log in. Click next. Now I am putting my password. And finally click sign in. Ad is loading, so wait. No thanks, click. And now back and sign in, loading. Yes, our logging is successful. Now back now. Okay, now I am back my start menu. Click start and next. All click mark and next. Wait, wow, it's working. Account added. Click next. Don't restore. Now set up your phone and say trying to set up. Fast forward is loading. So guys, our bypass is done. If you have any problem, then please comment. And if you like my video, then click like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.